Hi, I'm so happy to see you. I'm Shamapti. So good to have you here. Today I'm going to talk about this intensive at-home treatment that I had tried from Juicy Chemistry. These naturally activated ampoule kits are very good at repairing skin barrier, to heal the skin, to promote collagen production, and I have tried it. I'm really impressed by the results. So first I had their Pre-Biotic Barrier Repair Serum. I used this during the daytime. It actually has Pichia Mushroom's prebiotic ferment, which can support skin's healthy microbiome, also can support regeneration. It also has centella or gotu kola, which soothes the skin. Lepsana in the formulation improves radical resistance, and Brahmi soothes the irritated skin. It also has a bunch of humectants to hydrate the skin, yet it feels really non-greasy. It feels really hydrating and lightweight, and it is suitable for all skin types, even for sensitive skin, and perfect for hot, humid Indian weather because it doesn't feel greasy, doesn't feel sticky, it absorbs really well. I use this ampoule once in a day and it really helped to repair my skin barrier. It improves my dry and dehydrated skin. I love how soothing it feels. It also feels quite hydrating. This is a fragrance-free formulation and I truly like it. You can continue using this even after the 7 days, and yeah, this is a beautiful thing to have in your skincare routine. It's actually a perfect treatment to do every day for barrier support. And if your skin feels dull, it feels, it needs the help to repair the skin barrier, it lacks the glow, you definitely can try this one. And at night I used Juicy Chemistry's Bakuchiol Skin Recovery Serum. It has Bakuchiol, which is a gentle yet potent plant. It works through the same receptors as retinol. It promotes well aging. It also has Ginkgo Biloba, which helps with skin's elasticity. Also it has ingredients like acai berry, then the red grape extracts, which can brighten up the dull skin. And it also has this very lightweight texture, hydrating. It is a fragrance-free formulation and it is suitable for all skin types, also sensitive skin, because it has very gentle yet effective formulation. And I use this at night after cleansing my skin. After using toner, I use the entire ampoule. You also can use the half of it if you want to use it that way, but I used that entire thing. It worked better that way for me. And yeah, see, 7 or 14 days are too soon to tell you if it's working on fine lines and wrinkles, but I definitely saw that it's working on healing my skin. I had dark spots which faded quickly with this treatment. My skin looks so glowy, which I really like. Also hydrated without any greasiness or heaviness, and it is very important for now because the weather is so humid and so hot and I don't want anything too heavy on my skin, and it works really well. So sometimes our skin feels like dull, it needs the help with the healing, and for that this entire kit can be really good thing to invest. The ingredients are top notch, formulation is really good, texture is perfect even for Indian summer because this is lightweight, non-greasy, formulations are fragrance free. And once you're through with this 7-day treatment, you can continue using this ampoules for long lasting results and the maintenance. For that, take just 1 ml or less of product, close the ampoule and store it as usual. And when it comes to me, I really love these treatments and I think this can be a really good investment for skin. I've already used 2 packs of ampoules which I really enjoyed using, and I think Juicy Chemistry, they have nailed the formulation. The ingredients are really nice. I love the glow it gives to my skin, and frankly I think this is one of the best treatments I've tried lately for my skin. And I love the glow it gives, the radiance it gives, that it promotes the healing. So if you have dull skin, dehydrated skin, if you think you need support to heal your skin barrier, if you need something to promote well aging, you need something soothing, hydrating, then these treatments can work really well for you. I really hope you loved this. So yeah, that's all for now. I really hope you found this to be helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments box, and I'm gonna see you very soon then. Bye bye.